Hey guys, welcome back to Drip and Farm for Poverty. I'm your host, Drip Coach, and of course, let's jump right into it. So today in this video, it is December 6th, and this will be my 22nd month anniversary, if I'm not mistaken, of my journey into DeFi, specifically the Forex Shark ecosystem, and the lessons I learned along the way. In the beginning, being a noob, completely new to how the whole space worked, and then slowly uncovering the truth months and months later. So I have this playlist. I doubt any of you are gonna go back and watch it, but it is literally here just to document, because things change so fast. Gaslighting exists, rules and regulation change, projects disappear, devs don't deliver, you name it. So this has been my journey. So I have a 1 month update, and I believe I got started February 6th, I'm not mistaken, February 7th. I always forget that exact date, but we can jump over here to the channel. Remember, probably one of the few content creators that show you behind the scenes. It is not a profitable business being in this sub niche of a niche of a niche. The first couple of months I spent, I was not monetized because you got to get 100,000, I forgot how many views and subscribers and something else, right? So shows my first video upload was February 8th, but I believe I got into Drip February 6th. And then you have this break here where I stopped monetization as I took down Ray and caused him to delete his channel. Those of you that have been following, you know, not delete channel, but delete the videos and the evidence. But you can still catch all of that. Come out here to my playlist and you will find all of the info that transpired behind the scenes in this video here called Exploring the Behavior of Ray from Bartertown Conglomerate. So it is literally a play-by-play with all of the screenshots and evidence and everything that you need to come to your own decision of what took place in the Drip ecosystem. And shortly after my last video, Ray deleted all like the bulk of his content. So I am claiming sole rights to that move. Mystify definitely helped in that. He was the catalyst, because Ray was gaslighting with some of Mystify's content, and that kind of gave me the red herring. But anyway, so over the course of almost 2 years, we're looking at $8,000 and over 1,200 videos, 1,300 videos. So yeah, let's do some quick on-screen math here. $8,000 divided by, this rounds it to 1,300. So we'll just call it 1,300 videos. Oops. You're looking at $6 a video. And with each video being on average, probably 15 minutes, about $2.50 a minute just to make the video, the content, just me talking. That doesn't count the upload, thumbnails, and all that stuff. So again, not very profitable unless you got a ton of subscribers. So clearly doing this out of some kind of warped sense of responsibility and moral obligation, I guess. So anyway, let's take a look at where we're at on Drip. So I'm gonna show you guys where I don't have my other spreadsheet because I'm still operating off a different computer. That's not what I wanted. I wanted this. So I haven't updated this yet, which is the claimed. Remember, Forex turned the switch off, so pretty much screwed everyone that was exhibiting positive drip behavior, quote unquote. So for me, I'll have about 42,000 drips. What I'm gonna do now is for each of these accounts that I haven't claimed, remember, I'm just claiming and holding. I'm going to do that and see what is left in the wallet balance and available. So this one, these two here are completely done. And out of the 37,000 drip deposited, I ended up with 2,500 in my wallet. And for my sub one, the same wallet account that was created on the same day with my main one. Remember, I created 5. You go all the way back to when I first got started. That one had 27,000 drip deposited, which would have been a max wallet, and I only ended up getting out 6,489. So now we're looking at the team 2 that I created under one of my team members earlier this year. and there's 10,000 in that wallet. And now we're gonna see the available, I think is here. So right now it's 5,000. I guess I didn't update that, but we're gonna claim that to the wallet and then update the sheet. And I'm gonna do that for all of them, and then we'll just check and see what my total amount of drip that I have sitting in my wallets is. So there's 5,126. So basically I do this, I guess, once a month, essentially, because I definitely, much like everybody else, stopped paying attention. Don't even check the drip anymore because it's pointless and heartbreaking. But it's been a valuable lesson learned nonetheless. So let me approve this on the wallet. There we go. And then see what's in my wallet. So this first update. So 33,000 claimed, 33,868. All right, there we go. So 16,030 sitting in that wallet. So that's going to be this 16,030. And there's now 3,000 left. So I just updated this column to 33,868. So now roughly about 3,000. This doesn't count taxes or anything like that. It's just deposit minus claimed calculation. Real deposits. Deposits and hydrates, whatever. I don't have that field showing, but you guys get my drift. So we're gonna go ahead and do that for everything and then see what this new value actually is. So we're over here on sub 2, claiming that. At least the mistake that I made when I compounded that one 10,000 drip isn't available. So now the only thing there is a claim button. And then we'll update the sheet with this. From this one, I already have like I have less than 1,000 drip left in this one. So this is my 4th largest, which is also like my 5th to last smallest, however I want to phrase that. Meaning the other wallets I'm about to do are pennies. I mean, they're all pennies comparative, but the other ones become so negligible that it's not even a point. There was the one wallet I think that I did the triple D play on, so that one actually will be a pleasant surprise because I haven't updated the sheet to reflect that. So we'll see which one that one is. I think it's like sub 5 or something like that. So here is a perfect example. This wallet is completely now maxed out. 1769 321, 1769 321, and in the wallet I have a total of how much drip? Not much, I know. 1419. So I'll update this on the sheet and show you what happened with this one, because this is probably how a lot of people are going to end up after he made these changes. So this wallet is here. So I need to update this as well. So there's a perfect example. So 1769 claimed, deposited was 1535. So the wallet is done. My calculation is currently adding a negative 50 drip. So we're just going to delete this. And as you see, remember before I had like 41,000. The true amount of drip that I'm getting at the end of all this is going to be less than my calculation because whale tax wasn't figured into this simple equation. So that was another way that Forex masterfully screwed the bulk of the community. The ones that mattered, in my opinion. The other ones that shilled and got in early, yeah, they made millions, but those millions came from people like us. And I'm somewhere in the middle. I know there's other people that invested a lot less, and there are people that invested a lot more. But 28 grand is still, 30 grand is still not a small amount for me. This is the one that I played triple D with. So this one will fare out a lot better because of the difference now in the drip deposited and the claimed. And this is yet another wallet that is now maxed out. So I will be updating that as well. So ironically, I fared out a little above due to that gamble play that I got lucky with, finding Triple D having that amount from the Drip Warriors group and nobody playing, and that came from claimed drip that was in the wallet. So that was there wasn't any new capital. Remember, I told you guys, the hell with this, I'm not putting any fresh capital in. So at the end of the day, I'm still going to be wrecked, no matter what. But 43,000 is what I will have in my wallet once these remaining wallets max out. I don't know how many days this actually will be to max out, but we'll check back next month and see. Technically, I should definitely be at that 100. This one will be past the 100-day mark from the day that Forex flipped the switch because of the amount of drip I won 2 weeks ago or whatever. So that basically extends the life of the wallet. So I'll still be able to claim. But either way, that's why I have this number here. Plus taxes is what this formula is showing. So in order for me to actually break even on my investment, I will need drip to be at 88 cents. That's an 88x. We'll just call it 100x from here. That's not out of the cards. We've definitely seen that in altcoins and stuff like that. And I would give it, let's see, I'll probably say that like 80-20, 20% that it could do that. And that's all that 20% rides on the community. I definitely still see it going maybe like a 10x from here, 10 cents, something like that, based on the community. But it's going to be a treacherous road ahead because there's so many people that are wrecked that there's a lot of money that has to flow into the ecosystem from non-Ponzi-nomics, because I, for one, do not want to see new people get wrecked just to pay out the old ones. But that's an update on that. I'm not going to do the numbers on my animal farm side. That doesn't really even make any sense right now. TVL on this just continues to drop. We can look at the assets on the farm here. So dogs are back down 0.5% from yesterday. Pigs are down almost 2%, 2.5% on BUSD. So this is all, again, because there is no updates on black hole finance. Ironically, again, pigs are holding rather well. Reap is holding rather well. So there are definitely still some die-hard believers in the group. Or maybe these are just psychological levels. I think the $10 range is definitely a psychological level for pigs. Just like 1 penny drip. Seems like drip wants to hold at least above a penny. But it is getting closer and closer to going below that as well. It's at 0.011 as of today's video. And there's obviously not a lot of buy pressure coming in. And even if you do get any buy pressure, i.e. $500, you still have 4x as much going out. This is more like a 5x, to be honest. So people are definitely still saying to hell with this and claiming $20, $75, $12, $4. To me, it's not worth it. I wrote it all the way down to the bottom. So at this stage, it's sink or swim. Damn, this person was able to dump 43,000 drip. That's impressive. So yeah, there should be a point where this does equalize, but I do not know when that will be. One other highlight to throw out here, since this is drip community, this doesn't have anything to do with drip except for the simple fact that there are a bunch of drippers, content creators that are invested in this. So Warren.Finance has now released a teaser of the UI. If you want more details, check out Moonshot Max video we did a day ago by the time you see this. So he shows the UI, and as he mentions in here, there are a lot of content creators that are involved in this. I showed this to you guys. So that's why I'm keeping tabs on this. I have not been invited behind the curtains, so I am on the outside in, just telling you guys what I'm seeing from the outside in. As you can see, my avatar, bad, whatever, is not included in this. So at least you know you're getting transparent, honest information that's not being manipulated by some kind of personal investment into this. But I do like what they're trying to do, or what they are doing so far. And all we can do is sit back and watch. He did reveal in this, and I was right when I mentioned it. It is a Carol fork that will have bonding, and then there's also going to be a treasury that will use rehypothecation for the rewards. So it's not a complete Ponzi. It will have actual dividends coming from the treasury. How much of that is able to sustain The platform, I have no idea, but I do believe, like I said, at least initially, this is set to be rather bullish on the onset. Long term, have no idea, but the devs they partnered with and their history in the space, and then of course all these content creators, you definitely want to at least pay attention to whenever this launches. So check their Twitter. Still waiting, I think, on the audit. So follow them on Twitter and jump on their Telegram and follow Moonshot Max. You'll get more info on when this will drop. All right, that's all I got. That's the updates for me. Still wrecked. Thank you for Wrecked Shark. Couldn't be more excited for the future now that at least I know how to play the game correctly. All right, smash that HBO special, help brother out, like, subscribe, comment down below, and until next time, lift daily and achieve your impossible. See ya. Want to pay your in real life bills with crypto? How about send crypto directly to anyone with a bank account? SPRITZ Finance is a decentralized solution to be your own bank and connect your crypto earnings to real world bills and payments. They do not take custody of your assets and allow support on multiple blockchains and Web3 wallets. Sign up below using my referral link and you will get $50 back when you make your first $50 bill payment with crypto. Additionally, I will be using referral bonuses to airdrop, donate, or burn based on community feedback. Sign up now.